Team eValueServe. I am Gitanjali, and on behalf of eValueServe family, I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of Holi. Let's learn the art of creating mocktails from an award-winning mixologist from Taj City Centre, Gurugram, Mr. Jatin Puri. Over to you, Mr. Jatin.
Thank you, Gitanjali. Hi Team eValueServe. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Jatin. I am here to demonstrate two mocktails for you. For the demonstration purpose, I am removing my mask. And let's start with the first mocktail, which is Hara Holi. We are using few ingredients that are household ingredients. One is the sugar syrup, one is lemon juice, club soda, and the cucumber cuts. If you want to use cucumber julienne or chunks, you can use it. So first ingredient is cucumber, and this is also used for a dehydration as well. Also the drink is very refreshing. First is cucumber. You can use any type of it. You can cut into half and then make small slices and then convert into chunks. Small chunks, so it will be molded and shake very well. And then after this we put all the chunks inside the shaker. We use a bit of lemon juice and sugar syrup. For the measure, we are using 30 ml of the measure, and it is as per taste as well. If you don't want to use sugar syrup, you can use any stevia, any sugar product, or you want honey, you can use it. Lemon juice, equal quantity, 30 ml of lemon juice we are using for the same, as the help for the dehydration. Also both the drinks are very refreshing. We will mix it well in a small stirrer, stir it, and then we will muddle all the ingredients. So please do the gentle muddle for this, so it will be mixed all together very well. And then after this we'll shake it with the ice, 7 to 8 cubes of ice, and then we'll pour it in a glass, top up with the club soda. So let's start 6 to 8 cubes, and then we stir it well so it will be mixed. You can use any club soda. Take any glass inside that. Then I am using a Boston Taken shaker. You can use any sipper also to shake it well. Mix both the ingredients very well and shake it. We'll do shake 1, 2, 3. Shake. Seven to 8 seconds of good shake. Inside that, it will be a bit of frothy. If you want to stain it, it's fine. If you don't want to stain it, this is also fine. I'm using a small Hawthorne strainer. You can use any cap, small strainer, any teacup, any strainer. I'm using a small glass for this. This is any whiskey glass or highball, old fashioned, anything you can use. You can put few cubes of ice. Any other glass if you have, that goes well with the wine glass as well. I'm demonstrating in both the glasses. This is for the whiskey glass. If you have any other fancy glass at home, you can use this as well. Same 6 to 8 cubes of ice, both the glasses. Keep it well. You can strain a little bit in both the glasses. And then top up with the club soda. For the garnish, if you want to use it rollers, you can use the roller and keep it inside. If you want to use a simple garnish, just cut the cucumber and put a stirrer inside and just keep it like this. Sure. Thank you. Have a sip. Move on to our second drink. That name is Lalam Lal. Drink consists of very nice and simple ingredients. Start with sugar syrup, lemon juice, grenadine syrup, and a sparkling water to top up. Along with that, watermelon chunks inside that. So let's start. First, cut your watermelon into half, and then we'll make a nice scoop inside that to serve the drink inside watermelon only, as that's a Holi special. So let's do it. If you have a scooper at your place, that is fine. If you don't have, use any spoon, anything. Scoop it very well. Make the base. And this drink can be served to more than one guest or more than one servings. Use the same pulp in chunks inside this to blend it, as this drink is a blended drink. If you have a blender, hand blender, you can use that. Again, this is a measure that. So let's start with sugar syrup. Again, the recipe to make the sugar syrup is the equal quantity of sugar and the hot water. You can mix it well, it will be turned to sugar syrup. 30 ml of that. If you don't want sugar syrup, sugar to be used, you can use stevia, Splenda as a sugar free, or honey as a dietary. Second thing, this is lemon juice. Same quantity, 30 ml. If you have any smart pourer, you can use it. This is grenadine syrup. You can easily find it, grenadine syrup, anywhere. Otherwise, you can use it freshly cut and squeezed watermelon and pomegranate inside that. Let's mix it well. Give 2-3 seconds to mix it, and then we'll pour it inside the blender. Few pieces of ice. And then blend it. Make sure it will blend it well. It will be very smooth to drink. Let's put some cubes of ice inside our hollow watermelon. We serve like this and pour it inside this, and then we'll top up with the sparkling water to give a good fizz, and this drink will be smoother. And then some straw for your family to celebrate. And second, for the glass demonstration, I will just put same drink in a normal glass, pour it well again with sparkling water, pour a twist and a change in the color. You can use any of the soft beverage inside this. And then we can garnish. Small garnish with a watermelon slice or a triangular watermelon inside this. Thank you. And there you go. These are the two drinks which you can make at your home with your family. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Jatin. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
Hope you all enjoyed this session. Don't forget to wear your favorite ethnic dresses and make these lovely drinks at your home with your family. And do share the pictures with us